everybody, welcome to our Step2Med channel. This is one of the first of our YouTube series and part of our wider e-learning program. My name is Pooja Devani and I'm here to talk to you about what we have in store for you. So, what is Step2Med all about? Step2Med is a company designed to provide that extra push, knowledge and guidance to prospective medical and dental students at an early stage of their career. It was founded by myself, Pooja, and I'm an academic foundation doctor based in the Midlands, as well as one of the lead tutors for Step2Med. I've tutored and mentored students for over 7 years and created this company with one mission: to provide support for students from all walks of life at affordable prices without compromising quality. This is the ethos that underpins Step2Med. Over the years, we have gathered many ways to strengthen the different aspects of your application, and we wish to impart this knowledge to you all. Our team comprises of doctors, dentists, medical and dental students, and every year our courses are modified with updated contents. We now deliver courses yearly and have been affiliated and trusted by over 20 different schools with a 98% success rate. We also intend to continue to provide free places to students to attend our courses, as well as consistently putting free articles, material and content such as this through our webinars, podcasts and YouTube channel to try and expand our reach to people. So, what topics can you look forward to? We want to produce material on the overview of the application process for medicine and dentistry, how to talk about your work experience, preparing for the admissions test, namely the UCAT, the BMAT, how to discuss ethical, moral scenarios, the NHS and key topics, as well as different interview styles such as the multiple mini interview. We wish you the very best with your application form, but be sure to subscribe to our newsletter at www.step2med.co.uk, but also follow us on social media, both Facebook and Instagram at Step2Med. Subscribe below to our YouTube channel and you'll find out more about all the content we're releasing. If you have any questions or you want us to do any particular topics, just email us. It's hello@step2med.co.uk and our tutors will be happy to help. Thank you and we'll see you soon.